Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today the date is 6 April 2020 and the day is Monday, and it's the first lecture of social studies of grade 3. We have done unit 8 travel and communication, lesson 14 modes of communication. That which modes we have to do unit number 8 travel and communication, lesson number 13 from here to there, that how we move from place to place. We use different modes, like we use different vehicles to move from one another, to move from one place to another. Means of transport in our neighborhood is taxi stand, rickshaw stand, bus stand or railway station. Traveling in villages and towns. In villages and towns we use different modes of transport, that we use bullock carts, motorcycles, rickshaw, horse drawn carts and tongas in villages. But in big cities we use bicycles, scooters, motorcycles, buses for long distances, trains, cars. Everybody nowadays have his own scooter and car, so it's so easily to move from one place to another. Now come to page number 92. We studied that traveling in cities, what we use vehicles to travel in cities. We use aeroplanes, trains, buses, railway station, bus stops. We have to connect different cities with each other. Now page number 93, we have learned that we have to follow safety rules while crossing the road or while moving on the roads. You know that we have to follow these safety rules for our safety. While crossing the road, you must follow the traffic lights, zebra crossing. You have to walk on footpaths. Now today we will do unit number 8 travel and communication, and the lesson is 14, lesson number 14 modes of communication, that how we communicate with each other. The first mode of communication is letters. We use letters to send our message to different person living in different place. What we do, we write letter and send it through post offices, and the postman collect these letters, and after sorting these letters by address, they deliver to the post office of that local area. Then local post office give these letters to the appropriate addresses. Now a telegraphic message is usually very brief. Now its mode of communication is telephone. Telephone communication is the fastest mean of communication. You can talk directly to the person you want to talk and share your news or everything you want to share with him. It's the fastest mean of communication. In this age everybody have mobile phones, and mobile phone you can send SMS, photos or anything you want to send. Now page number 97, and next one is telephone network, that how we use telephone networks. We can talk to people in far off cities using subscribers trunk dialogue, means STD. We use subscriber trunk dialogues and international subscribers dialogues. We use to talk to another person living in another country or another city. Telephone facilities are available in all cities, towns and most villages. We can also go to a public call office, PCO, to make a call. Okay, if you don't have mobile phone or something else, so you have also an option that you can call through PCOs. Most people now own mobile phones or cellular phones which do not need a wire. You can take your mobile phone everywhere with you. Okay, you have to just charge that phone and you can take it anywhere you want. Now the next mode of communication is electronic mail, email. You can also send messages, videos, photos through email through a computer, and different computers around the world can be connected through each other by internet. Internet is the one through which you can connect many computers at a time. A person can connect his or her computer to another computer in any part of the world via the internet. Email is very cheap and fast means of communication. Okay, letters, telephone and emails are mean of personal communication that only one person can interact with each other. If we need to communicate with two or more people at a time, so we have to do is what we have to use mass communications. What are the mass communication? Mass communications are those like newspaper, radio, television are means of mass communication that many person at a time get the same information. Okay, we don't have to separately send information one by one. We have to send at a time to many different persons. Okay, different person can use this information as they want. So mass communication, newspaper, radio, television are the mass communications medium. Okay, now newspaper is also mass mode of mass communication that we read newspaper daily, and we different events that happen throughout the world we can see in the newspaper that what's happening around the world. Newspaper are published in different languages like Urdu, English and different regional languages like it may be in Saraiki, Sindhi, Punjabi. Radio and television, we can listen to the radio or watch programs on the television to get news from all over the world. That we can get information through radio also. Okay, television and radio, we can also get information from all around the world. You can also listen music and news on radio. News means information from all direction of the earth, that any information relative to the any country, any news can be of different type, you can get from all direction of the earth. Now page number 100, you have to open page number 100 and do your book work. First of all, we will do filling the blanks. Dash are the most common means of communication. Telephones. Okay, the dash is one of the fastest mean of communication. Fastest mean of communication is, I think so, letters are the fastest mean of communication. The two most popular mean of mass communications are radio and television. The telegraphic message is very short. Sorry, you have to put over here blank number 2 is letters. It's correct, all these are correct. Okay, you have to do it like same. Now come to notebook work. You have to do notebook work. You have to mention topic, modes of communication, event, question answers, and you have to do question answers on your notebook. First of all, you have to draw margin lines, date and day, and start your question answers. What is communication? Exchanges of information from speaking, writing, or using some other medium. Question number 2, what is mass communication? Name 3 means of mass communication. Mass communication is the process of exchanging information through mass media to large segment of the population. Example, television, radio, film and internet. How does a letter reach from one person to another? Postman collects letter from the letter box. Local post office give these letters to the postman who deliver them to the address. Now question number 4 is that who are the people who help us reach our letters to the right people? Postmen are the people who help us reach our letters to the right people. Okay, we have done this lesson number 14. It's completed. Your book work, your notebook work is now completed. What you have to do is you have to learn your book work page number 100 and you have to learn first 2 question answers. It's your homework. Okay, question number 1 is what is communication and what is mass communication. Name the 3 means of mass communication. You have to learn these 2 question answers and your book work. Okay.